Everyone. I wanted to quickly just go over my portfolio value here as of this Friday, this last Friday, February 13th, 2026. My total portfolio is at a value of $170,912. This week was quite a roller coaster. And as you can see, Amazon just keeps going down. Uh, Basically, since I started buying them more this month, just keeps dropping. That's a real shame. On one hand, it kind of hurts. On the other, like I know Amazon's going to be around for a while. I know they bring in the money, and they're going to be fine. So I just need to remember that this is just an opportunity for me to lower my average cost on that stock, which with the changes I've been making to my workbook here. Here's Amazon. Average price that I've bought at $230. Return on that investment so far. Total on that total investment, negative 14%. Ooh. Oh, that hurts. It hurts a little bit. I mean, it's not as bad as my General Mills here at negative 19. So yeah, uh, you know, it happens. Um, it's not like I'm not day trading. I'm not holding these stocks in the short term. So that stuff's gonna happen. So far this month, got just $104 in dividends. Um, the months out, I would say the majority of the months are fairly low dividend months. They are um, like less. I think most are like less than $200. It's really in the every 3 months. March, June, September, December. Whenever SCHD pays, that's when that's when it really jumps up. And as you can see here, my trailing 12 SCHD vastly greater than the rest. So yeah, I don't think I made. Well, I can't. I do. Nah, I won't do that right now. I don't remember if I because I was making this new workbook, editing some things. Kind of wanted to start fresh over. So like this table here is new. These little tables down here are new, showing how much money I've invested or our dividend reinvestments. So far this month, almost $1,000 in total this year between dividends and what I've transferred slash contributed, a little over $2,000 so far. So yeah, overall my portfolio is still up on the year, which it's nice. It's better than being down. So we'll just have to see how the year goes. 2026 could be another 2025. April comes along, see a drop, start really hurting. Gut starts hurting a little bit, but then it's the opportunity to throw in more money. And that's part of, again, I think I've talked about this before. Part of me really wants to just continue contributing what I have so far each month, continue doing that and not necessarily build up a savings to invest all at one time. And then another big part of me wants to build up this big savings so that if there is this massive drop across the entire stock market, then I have a whole bunch of money to throw in. But part of me doesn't think that's going to happen. So that's why I'm still sticking with dollar cost averaging. But again, You never know. So yeah, I think that's all. Again, really just trying to keep these short, just show on a weekly basis, um, kind of what I've done, how my stock value has, my portfolio value has developed. Maybe talk about the market, but overall, from what I can remember, the market this week quite up and down, especially for particular stocks. Um, though some stocks are still having a great month, like SCHD. They're having a good, well, they're having a good year so far. Pepsi's having a good year. Procter Gamble, Chevron, they're having a good year. Month they're doing decently. So yeah, can't. It's not too much to complain about, and I'll leave it there. So, if you're investing, I hope it's going well for you. Talk to you later.